Hey rock stars, in this video I've got another exciting unboxing video for you. We're going to take a look at the Amethyst mic that comes from Violet, which is now JZ microphones in Latvia. So get ready to rock. Hey rock stars, my name is Lid Shaw, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your best record ever, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button so you don't miss any videos from us here at Recording Studio Rockstars. I recently received a new package here at the studio, and I'm very excited to open this for you. This comes from JZ Microphones in Riga, Latvia. This should be the Amethyst microphone, which is a 1-inch diaphragm condenser mic that has a rich, warm sound like a vintage U67. It's a mic that should be great on vocals, acoustic guitars, drums, piano, anything you want to do in the studio, particularly if you're trying to get that sweet vintage tone, which JZ Microphones is great at. So let's open this guy up and see what's inside. Okay, cool. So this is going to be the shock mount. We'll open that in just a minute. And this must be the microphone in here. All right, this is the box with the mic in it. You can see the Amethyst logo here, which has got that classic Violet Microphones color right here. But Violet Microphones is now JZ Microphones, and there you can see the JZ logo right on there. There it is. That's the Amethyst microphone sitting there in the box. So I have to say it's packed in there really well, so if you're getting this shipped to you, you can pretty much guarantee that it's going to arrive to you safely. That's what the Amethyst microphone looks like. We've got a 1-inch diaphragm right in here. It actually ships with retaining screws that you may need to remove, particularly this one I think has a little sign on it, and that makes sure that the microphone arrives safely at its destination. So this is very straightforward looking. I mean, we've got the 1-inch capsule right here. It's got the golden drop technology for the capsule design right inside the capsule. So you've got the capsule design on top, on the head, and then the body of the mic, of course, has the electronics in it. This is going to be part of the shock mount design right here, which we'll see in a second. And then down here we can plug the XLR cable in and put it on a mic stand. Now we'll open up the shock mount. Pretty wild looking. It's like some kind of Mickey Mouse ears right here. So this is pretty cool. So this is the shock mount for the mic. It's going to sit in here, and then it's going to be suspended in these elastic bands right here. So let me see if I can take a look and figure out how to put this thing together. Okay, so the manual for this microphone is actually a link on here that we can go download from the internet. JZ takes environmental concerns seriously, so they're not shipping out a whole bunch of paper, and we'll just go download it and see how to put the mic together. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. Basically, one side goes in here, and then the other side goes on here, and then we just do the same thing on this side, and it's suspended in the shock mount. So funny enough, we have two options. We can either put the mic stand on this mount right here, or we could screw the mic stand directly into the bottom of this mic and just put it on a vertical stand if we want to. All right, thanks so much for watching, Rockstars. If you enjoyed checking this out and you want to go learn more about this mic yourself, just go directly to jzmic.com, follow the link below in this video. It'll take you right there, and check it out. And remember, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel here at Recording Studio Rockstars. I'll be bringing you a video as soon as I can about this mic in use in the studio. Thanks for watching. Cheers.